welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is addressing 13. He said that he cares for her and he still, basically, he has a lot of things to say to her. So he went ahead and he was giving her a bit of advice. He was saying that he didn't know if she knew that this is the way her life would be going and if that's the direction she wanted her life to go in and more. So go and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity throughout this year and everything that's nice and everything that you deserve and want in life. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, my family, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
I like you back. Simple. You know, I don't know how this person's gonna take this. And I don't really want to go step on their toes. But I feel like I feel like, you know, I'm weighing up the pros and the cons. But I hope this person don't take it the wrong way. And I hope she's here. I hope she's here. 13, we've come a long way. We've gone through a lot of turmoil together too. We've taken a lot of backlash, a lot of cuss outs for those people. You know this, you know. I don't know if this is how you saw your life. I don't know if this is how you or how you panned out your life to be on here doing things that might not be pleasing to you. I don't know if it's pleasing to you, but I hope it's not pleasing to you. You know? I know you're a mother. I know you will go above and beyond for your children so they can eat, right? I know you know other people on here too are mothers too. I don't know. I don't care. I don't care about the disputes you've had with them. Sometimes in life, I feel like it's full time. Sometimes it's a good thing to let go, because if you don't let go, it's gonna make you bitter. And I know you are more than that. This is why I always encourage you, go and build your page. You have the voice. You have your just the way you speak. You can command an audience. Command them for you. For yourself. Not for others. And I'm not saying you're on here commanding for others right now, but I'm saying maybe it's time now to let go of all of this bad energy. Let it go. Life is way too short for this. And I know you are better than this. Well, I hope you're better than this. Understand? I'm in a care when I want to take him in a care. I try to draw them back up, pull them away from all of you. I'm trying. And I'll not stop trying. Especially the ones I freaking feel like I respect or I care for. And she's one of those I care for. Because she was there with me through my trials and my flipping tribulations. She was there. Even though she cost me, my cost her back, she was there. Which makes her good enough. That makes, to me, that's good enough to try and pull her away from you people. And I hope she'll find a way out. I hope. Because technically, it's not worth it. It's not. Unless you deem it, if you deem it to be worthy, continue. Don't stop on my accord. But I'm still going to encourage you to let go. I think it's the right thing to do. I know it's the right thing to do. That's why I'm going to encourage you to let go. You are better than that. You have a voice to command an audience. And that's the truth. You do. You do. Don't be like them. Be you. Be yourself. Let go. They will let go too, I'm sure. They will stop. I don't know why I just did that, but whatever. I think it's a good thing. This, you know, the things that's happening is not breaking you guys' heart. Does not make you guys feel bad. Does it? If it doesn't, I don't know. It makes me feel bad. It does. It makes me feel so bad. And the sad part is I've been caught up in it for so long. I had to pull my I had to pull away. I had to flip. I had to pull away. I had to. I had to. I had to. And I'm glad I spoke my truth. I'm glad I spoke how I feel about everything. Because now they all know. Now they flipping know. Now they know. You see, I'm glad I always say I'll never shy from adversity. Never. You know, I say another thing. You see, with persistence, right? With persistence and sheer tenacity, even the impossible will always become possible. With persistence and tenacity, even the impossible becomes impossible. Becomes possible. I don't know if you guys get that. If you're persistent enough and resilient enough, even the impossible will become possible. One thing I know, I have sense. None of you can make me... Listen, I have a lot of sense. I might look rough. I might look unkept. I might look a lot of things. But one thing I do have is sense. I'm sure my words, they should resonate with those with sense too. My words must resonate with people who has a great command of the English language. And that's it. If you are not of that standard, you won't get it. It won't resonate with you. You will always be a flipping whirlian. You will always be a fire starter, gaslighter. You'll always be a flipping shit starter. That's always going to be a lot of you. And I'm not you. I'm me. I am me. I am me. I am myself. How about you to be low right now? It's like people always come on my page and be casting a lot of bad words. Like cursing bad is make you feel strong and powerful and bad and untouchable and invincible. In fact, no, it makes you feel foolish and unlearned, uneducated and foolish. True story. True story. It took me time to understand. Bad words doesn't really get you nowhere. It don't. It just make you look uneducated and illiterate. Right? And I know my family, they raised me to be an upstanding citizen of the world, a young man, not no common dirty boy. And that's the truth. I'm glad God blessed me with the parents he blessed me with. If God is man or woman, I don't know. But whoever God is, I'm glad he blessed me with the parents he blessed me with. Very glad. Very glad. I'm happy. And trust me, I found myself. I found back to Dwayne Fletcher. And I will never let him go. Ever. Because of people I don't know. Because of people I deem unworthy to be my presence. Because of people I deem as unworthy to be my class. Never. There's class. In this game, there's class. In the streets, there's flipping class. You can have all the flipping money in the world. And in having all that money, you still don't amount to nothing. Nothing. I'm a classy young man. Very classy. I've always been classy. This is why I attract classy people to me. You know, do you guys know the only time I used to get aggressive is when I get on TikTok, on Facebook? Because these people, they love getting your bad side out. That's how they get their laughs and their joy. Not for me. Go and get it elsewhere. Go and get it elsewhere. I'm going to tell you my mind. I'm going to tell you in a very eloquent way, assertive and flipping stern. I know I'm using words some of you don't even know. As I'm telling you, education is fundamental. It is. It is. And I'm glad I went to school. Very glad. I'm serious. I'm glad I went to school. I know I'm glad when the doctors went in my brain, I'm glad they didn't touch that vital nerve or that vital line that would make me forget my flipping education. I'm glad. Listen, you guys don't know. When doctors go in your brain, anything can happen. Anything could have happened. And obviously something did happen, but not that detrimental, where my life was still. Just shh. Shh. I'm happy. I'm flipping happy. I just hope, I feel like Marcia and Tina Chin, they should take a break. Don't you guys think they should take a break from social media? Even 1 month, 2 months. Let's see how they thrive without them. And if they go and they see nothing's happening, then they know. Unless this is what they like. I don't know. Maybe they like this. I not really think what about there. Maybe they flipping like it too. Because every day so. Maybe they like it. Jesus Christ. Maybe they flipping like it too. Maybe. But I won't judge them. I won't judge any of them. I'm going to tell them the truth. All of them. They're doing a lot. Way too much on here. That's it. I don't even want to go back here. We don't talk already. And I'm sure my message got where it's meant to get. Because I realize people come out and we put in the hearts. And the fan makes name. Okay. Oh. Are you throwing shade? The shade is not shading. The shade is not shading in no way, shape, or form. It's not shading. Sorry to best, but the shade's not shading. The shade ain't shading. If only the shade ain't shading. I'm being real. If the shade was shading, it wouldn't be so bad. But it's not shading. It's not. You did not add on WhatsApp again, like you said. I already have him. Let me text this boy. Where's that phone? Where is that phone? Sorry, 1 second. If anybody want to go, you can go. I'm not holding anyone hostage over here. Where the hell is this phone? I don't know. I'm not gonna bust my brain to find out damn phone. That's long. What's the phone here? What's my mama sending me now? I still had this boy. I don't know how to find him. Oh, sorry. I didn't pull the phone. You know, it's such a shame that you guys are here and you can't say A, B, or C. It's a real shame. It's a flipping shame. I swear to God. It's a flipping shame. It's a shame. But I won't judge you. I want to pray for you and pray you will find clarity the way I found clarity. That's all I can just pray for you. Right? Pray for yourself too. Yeah, pray for yourself as well. You know, I don't care about money. Not anymore. I don't do evil things for money. Come out here and do nonsense to people for $1, $2 or $3 or $5 or $10 or $20. The money won't last. It won't. One thing I do know is that a lot of you on here, you are on their side. You've chosen sides. You don't even realize you've chosen. Then again, I'm sure you know. I'm sure you know. But you hear anyway. You'll hear anyway. Oh Lord, give me strength. I have to laugh. You know, one thing I like about myself, I have a very attractive aura, and it's very inviting too. When I'm calm, I'm very inviting, and I'm calm, very. It's a good character to have, I think. I can't speak for you. I'm talking for myself. It's a good trait to have. Very good.